Changing your primary email on Franz can help you manage your accounts more effectively. Follow these steps to update your email address. Step 1. Open Franz. Launch the Franz application on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled email or account information. Click on this section to access your current email details. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm the changes, and you may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Franz will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.